Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrency. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. As you can see here, the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies of previous last 1 hour. As you can see here, today as a Zilliqa holders day, as you can see here, the change is in positive 1.9% change in Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in the last 1 hour. In the high price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in the previous last 1 hour is $0.169293 is the high price of Zilliqa in the previous hour. As you can see here, the graph of the Zilliqa cryptocurrency, so they are far jumping upward, as you can see here. So it's a time to buy a Zilliqa cryptocurrencies and make a good amount of profit, as you can see here. Now let's see the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies of previous 2 hour. What's going in the previous 2 hour of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in a crypto market? As you can see here, in the previous 2 hour they start jumping, and this time they start jumping. After this time they start jumping upward like a rocket, and after this time they start jumping like a rocket. They goes to moon, as you can see. Now that is the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, the change in the previous 2 hour is 1.77% change, and the high price in the previous 2 hour is $0.169293 is the price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. Now the current price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies is $0.169293 is the current price of Zilliqa in a market, as you can see here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.